Ama sa penin hiti video be hozo si koma kazana salam ka hin pin kema hi thangmin ngam por mate hin ka YouTube channel por mate tin ka coin si if you're interested, please check out my YouTube channel, and I'm sure there's a lot of fun stuff out there. And to new video here After Effects tutorial coding hin the beginner tutorial in everything is going to be step by step, and please follow this tutorial. Loading here, which is first I am filing children new project getting new project naga me I legend naga me I legend new project it's like that. Okay, so now you don't have anything then that new composition kiti ahin ka chile lo ka me legend hiji composition ding ahin lai chi while so here la hit chan lang ahin chicho you can set it to however you want, and the frame rate ahin the second direction here second here in the video to sorry kalaram ring the video is jinkamata record kabor here kalaram yang the direction kiti here the video a second is an tina here you can make it however long you want. Just for now this is good. Then that okay got me in long toy black screen không độ hết tan toy ipina border me là new layer kia hình go to new layer text yang omin layer yang omin light yang omin camera yang omin null object yang omin shape yang omin adjustment layer yang omin kimi I think Photoshop file you can just import Photoshop file, and then it is very easy to customize. I think new edges, new solid in got you then yeah, make comp size try to new solid equal to G here let's say that we want to make a simple text animation got text to line got format try text to visible below here to background yung kang text color yung kang here text color juga change by the black in got change something for filmmaking got it filmmaking got it it animation is the one chi layer hi filmmaking hi chi por mate kamin hi na chi ania hin select ka bola chen select shift hi me dan lang imacha bola ben por me chi ka me la chen ani ni ai highlight hi dan chi te ni hong ki highlight den la chen ani ai ki group ta bang hi chi easily you can move them around. So what you have to do is to press P. P got me position